Welcome to HR Stock Street. Today, we shall be learning how to identify a double top pattern, and how to take the trade in intraday trading. First things first. To begin with, we shall mark the important levels on a 1-hour time frame chart. The price took a nosedive from this area, and since the price is above this range, this zone can act as a support zone. The gap border below the price is being marked in red, as it can be a minor support for this session. On the upper side, the dodgy formation near EMA, after which the price fell, will be an important resistance, or a supply zone. Now let's move on to 5-minute time frame. Here, we see that the zone of strong down movement has already been marked. Further, slightly behind time, we find that there is a virgin CPR, and let's mark it with a thick blue line. And we can also observe that the price has been in a downtrend. The important zone of probable reversal or demand zone is slightly further away from the current market price. Hence, the price has least probability to go higher up. Hence, we should be careful to avoid falling into a bull trap, as any upward movement towards the zone of downward movement will probably indicate a simple pullback due to profit booking, and might reverse again in downtrend towards the demand zone. As usual, I use a standard indicator which predefines daily CPR, marked in blue and red dotted lines. Previous day high and low marked as black dotted lines. Support lines as green dotted lines, and resistance lines as red dotted lines. The orange dotted line represents the weekly CPR, while the thick blue line above is marked indicating the virgin CPR. Let's move on to the day's trading session. We see that the CPR is wide and above the current market price. This can act as a strong resistance zone, and also the zone of downward movement and the CPR are close to each other, which makes the zone a strong resistance. Reversal can be expected from this zone. This has to confirm from a valid price action. Let's wait. The price is seen moving towards the zone of resistance or supply. We can now see a reversal candle pattern from near the zone of resistance. But reversal is not confirmed, as the upward movement looked pretty strong, hence we have to wait for formation of a double top pattern or a head and shoulder pattern to enter into a short trade. And if the zone is broken with a strong bullish candle, then we may have to trade the reversal. One can also draw a Fibonacci from the previous high to low and see where the reversal pattern has been formed to confirm confluence of indications. Here we can see that the reversal pattern has been formed near the 50 and 38% areas. So, this looks like a pullback, yet we need a confirmation to take a trade. Now there seems to be a second reversal candle pattern formation below the previous low. The price action looks similar to a double top formation. We can also draw a trend line marking the lower lows, and can enter short trade once the trend line has been broken. Now we can enter the trade with one lot and enter with another lot once the neckline has been broken. Now the profits can be trailed by using the EMA, and can be booked near the demand zone that has been marked earlier. What all can we observe from the chart? Firstly, the price was in a downtrend, and as the saying goes that the trend is friend, one has to avoid taking reversal trade without proper confirmations. Patience is key. You should allow the price action to communicate to you the probable movement of the price. In the chart, there were multiple confirmations to show that the price would follow the trend. The double top pattern forming near the zone of strong resistance, as well as 50% Fibonacci values. Then there was confirmation of trend breakout, and also saw a huge bearish Mariposa candle forming down the EMA to break the neckline of double top pattern. Following all these indications, the trade was taken and equally rewarded. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you are taking with you some important lessons about trading in intraday. Before I go, today's tip for a healthy trading. Do not construct a chart of your own imagination, allow the price action to communicate with you. See you, until next time.